We interrupt this program to bring you...
Subscribe now or I'm coming to your house to fuck your mom.
Do you drink Wilkins coffee?
No. Wilkins makes good. Wilkins coffee.
Try Folgers.
So it's Mario. What do Mario tonight?
I meatballs.
I'm vegan.
Hey, I'm vegan.
We should have some toast, or we could have tofu.
One more.
You want to see a real fight, you should head over to www.WWE.
Is this the part where you guys go... Is this the part where you guys go... Paper!
Mario, let me in. Let me in. Let me in right now. Right now.
The small gold bars are worth $1 each, and the big gold bar is worth $5. Why? Because I'm trying
to decide what to make for breakfast.
What the hell?
Would you like to hear my dream? Oh, hello. I am trying to make a YouTube. Maybe you can help me. No. Okay. You make a skip. Okay.
Skip.
Don't give me that look. I'm skipping.
Okay, you're here on the YouTube page. So, if you're watching this,
Stop the video!
where everybody's uploading to videos. If you create content, you're the original. You upload content you took from the Muppets. We didn't want to address this. But you guys won't shut the fuck up about the Poopets. YouTube
But instead of an E for Ernie, I used an E, which isn't short for Mario like you might think. It's short for me. Me too.
Leave. You're not leaving at all.
I'm scared.
Let's move on to Mario trying to make number 2.
No! Hey!
Yeah.
Hey! A man has fallen into the city.
Give me Hey girl, let me buy you a cheese. Hey, drink. 9 months later. Hello?
Has a man fallen into the river in city?
No.
Yo daddy just had babies and yo mama.
I don't even know you. Hello?
7 days.
Oh, hell no.
Hey Shark Pop.
Yeah, you just called me?
Remember 9 months ago?
No.
Well, I made babies and I just had